Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing 24/7. In this video, we will be learning how to edit 2x2 pictures in Picsart. To edit a 2x2 picture in Picsart, first of all launch open your Picsart application. From the main home page of Picsart, click on the See All button at the top left. Now, from your camera roll, select the picture you want to edit, and once you are done importing the picture, click on the Tools option at the bottom of the screen. From the menu pop-up, click on Crop. Now, go ahead and tap on the square option at the bottom of the screen and tap on this 853 by 853 option at the very top. And in the text box, enter 600 and tap on OK. Soon after you do that, you will be able to see your image cropped. Drag and adjust your picture so that it is inside the frame and tap on Apply at the top right. After you are done, you can now click on the next button at the top right corner, save your picture or share it directly on other social media platform. And that's how you have easily edited 2x2 picture in Picsart. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.